Understanding 2 cents worth in English conversation. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase you might often hear in English conversations: 2 cents worth. Understanding such phrases can really help in grasping the nuances of English. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily communication. 2 cents worth is an interesting phrase in English. It originates from the idea of offering a small amount of money, in this case, 2 cents, to contribute one's opinion in a discussion. The key takeaway here is that it represents a person's opinion or input on a matter, typically in a modest or unobtrusive way. It's often used when someone wants to add their perspective but also acknowledges that their opinion might not be very significant or impactful. Understanding how to use 2 cents worth is crucial. This phrase is commonly used in informal conversations. For example, 1. If I may add my 2 cents worth, I think we should reconsider our strategy. 2. I'll throw in my 2 cents worth and say that the movie was actually quite good. In these examples, the speaker is casually offering their opinion without intending to dominate the conversation. There are variations of this phrase that you might come across. Some of these include, my 2 cents, put in my 2 cents, and 2 pennies worth. While the wording might differ slightly, the meaning and usage remain largely the same. It's important to understand the cultural context of this phrase. 2 cents worth is predominantly used in American English. It reflects a cultural attitude of valuing everyone's opinion, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant. And that's our overview of the phrase, 2 cents worth. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, learning such idiomatic expressions is a great step towards fluency. Until next time, keep practicing and don't hesitate to add your own 2 cents worth in English discussions.